Hello everyone! Let's learn how to match color tones from one image to another image in Photoshop. So, open your image in Photoshop. Change the name of the layer to Base Image. Now drag and drop the image from which you want to steal the color tones. Press Ctrl+T and adjust the size of this image. Double-click on the layer and rename it as Source. Now, go to Image, Adjustment and Match Color. Here, select the main image as the source and the source image in the layer. Now adjust these sliders and do some experiments to get the perfect color tone for your image. Once satisfied, hit OK. See the source and actual image. Let's try it with another image. Delete this source layer. Drag and drop the new layer and scale it. Again, go to the Image, Adjustment and Match Color. Make sure you select the main image as a source image and the second image as a layer. Adjust the sliders to get the desirable tone. Hit OK. We are done. Let's see the final output. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.